That's Quartararo.
Fabio Quartararo's been collected mid-pack.
He ran into the back of Marquez, I think.
Oh, Fabio Quartararo, that's an absolute nightmare. It was an aggressive start. Let's follow Marc Marquez. Oh, Marquez had a moment. Marquez already got ahead of Fabio Quartararo. He had a bit of a slide on the rear tyre, didn't he, coming out of turn 3. There you go, the twitch from Marquez. Fabio Quartararo absolutely nowhere to go. He was so fortunate there, wasn't he? Marquez, look at that, he's going to have the moment. There he goes, the slide of the rear tyre, the medium rear tyre, not up to temperature in turn 3. Poor on Fabio Quartararo, absolutely nowhere to go. Look at that, nothing he can do. He gets an absolute whack from that factory Yamaha wide star M1. That was a horrible moment, a horrible incident for Fabio Quartararo, and of course it has completely changed the picture in the World Championship.